Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. When you're outside camping, sometimes you don't want to do everything over the fire, but what if you don't have something in your RV to help you out? Well, that is where a griddle comes into play. These are really great for any kind of cooking and camping. So this is our RV griddle with a cast iron cooking plate with the product code for which is RP-2117. The dimensions are on the screen, but it includes 4 rubber feet, a cast iron cooking grill top, and a grease cup. There's one center control knob, and this is self-lighting or a manual lighting operation. This is fueled by propane gas, and because of that, it is for outdoor use only, so don't use this inside. It can get a little dangerous. It's a gas hookup, so it has a 1/4 inch brass quick connect thing in the back, and it has a recommended installation space or setup for 6 inches from either side, just to give it a little bit of room so that it doesn't get too warm and so that the propane has room to get around everything. And when you're using this, please follow standard propane safety guidelines and don't store it until the unit is cooled down and cleaned off, just so that it stays in good shape and your RV stays in good shape, nothing bad happens, and everything is good, you know? This weighs about 30 pounds, and as a note, it's not connected to electricity, it is only propane powered. And the griddle should probably be seasoned before use, as it is cast iron, so it should be treated in the same way that other cast iron things are treated. It also has an optional 72-inch propane gas dual quick connect hose if you would like to check that out as well. So if you want to find out more about this, you can click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.